Welcome back to another triple puzzle trial, my toolkit to help future Wheel of Fortune contestants find success on the show. The way this works, I give you 3 puzzles that are of the same category that have previously appeared on the TV show. You'll have 30 seconds to solve all 3 puzzles simultaneously, with the letters R, S, T, L, N, and E visible for you. The category for this trial is fun and games.